Ravi, I heard that you are a very good climber.
Yes, sir.
So, are you still a good climber?
Sir, actually, I was climbing. I left climbing in 2018. Last time I was participated in national competition. It
Okay.
was held in Kolkata, and that was the last competition I participated.
So, how was your performance?
It was good, sir. I was qualified in final round, but unfortunately there was a 4 players which are qualified to the final, and 3 of them are international players. So that it was quite tougher to.
Okay. Are you still in the contact of your teacher or other mentor
Yeah.
who used to guide you
Yeah.
at early stage?
Yes.
Okay. So, you tell me about your native state.
Native state.
Yes.
I'm from Begusai, and recently I was in Sikkim, where I completed my 10th and 12th studies, and currently I am in BPS, where I am going for the current study, that is my BCA first year.
BCA first year.
Yes, sir.
That means you have a lot of interest in computer.
Yes, sir.
So, do you think computer is very important?
Yes, sir. Computer is very important, sir.
Why?
Because sir, nowadays everything is being digital, so we have to be up to date. Like,
But I don't think digital means you have to aware of everything about computer and you have to take BCA. I don't think so.
yes, sir. But I have interested in sir computer science. So recently in 10th I haven't chosen science, but now I have chosen sir a BCA course for my engineering course, sir.
Okay, Ravi, you tell me 2 positive point about your city.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, one of these, sir, we can, in comparison to other cities, like we have stayed in Sikkim for a long time. So in comparison that in Begusai we found market will open 24/7. If you want something, then you can go for the bus stand. You'll find everything that you want in the night time, and that is the main positive things that should be in our city also, because
But no. This is not required. This is not quite right information. Because wherever you have railway station,
yes, sir,
you'll get
24/7 open
yes
market.
service. So obviously this is a plain area. You'll get such kind of stations. So you tell me some actual positive points about your city.
Sir, people.
People.
Yes, sir.
You think people are good?
Very, very friendly. If you talk with them, in first you will talk. If you talk with them very politeness, they will reply with very punctual.
But whole Bihar's people, whole Bihari peoples are quite helpful, quite understandable.
No,
So-
it's depend upon us also, that how we treat them, in which manner we are speaking with them.
So that it is not all about your city, because if you talk nicely with people from Odisha, Telangana, then he and she can also reply you in a good manner.
Yes, sir.
So how can you say your city is good because your people are good?
Yes, sir. Or we can say that we have here, and it is actually very beautiful cities. In
terms of sanitation?
No, in terms of we are working on them. Actually, municipal corporation is working on them, that means maximum area should be sanitized and should be clean. And so far the worker are also doing in the same way. But before, in 1 month ago, they were in the strike, but now.
Okay. So he has actually mentioned a very good point that our municipal corporations are doing good, fair good. So far our sanitation of city is concerned. Kabi, since you are coming from Lohiyanagar, correct?
Yes,
And I think you are seeing lot of garbage
yes, sir.
while coming to your institute. So do you think our administration, our authority are doing fair good
Yes, sir.
on
we can say
practical
that-
basis, in
yes,
practical
sir.
manner?
They are going very good because sir, they are in morning from since 6 to 8 a.m. They are going on van, garbage van. They are playing songs with "Gari wala aaya ghar se kachra nikal." If you hear that song, then you must be idea that we have to put our garbage outside. We have to put them in proper manner. If you have a dry waste, then you have to put in dry. If you have a wet, you have to put in wet waste. If the van left, then the people of that place, in any place, they used to throw the garbage outside because they want to clean their house but not the society. That's why the society is not clean and their house is clean.
So yes, he has mentioned about very good point, very good mentality.
Yeah.
Not in good mentality, but he has pointed a correct picture of the society.
Yeah.
People generally clean his or her house, but they ignore
The society,
yes.
the outside of the.
garbage of the society or garbage of the streets. So how can we give such kind of awareness to the people?
Actually, we can't expect them to be changed. We have to be change what we have to change in the world. So if we want to see the society clean, that like we clean our home daily, and we clean our home, and that we garbage throw in the road. We should not throw in the road. We have to put the dustbin in front of our home also. That anyone who have crossing the way, they can put them their garbage in the dustbin. Dustbin is actually very necessary things which government should provide in every street in between a certain distance, so that everyone can use the dustbin. Here is the lack of dustbin, because that's why people are throwing garbage here and there.
Yes, you are also you have, because in Sikkim also
Yeah.
there is a compulsory of having,
Yes,
no, you
dustbins,
have
sir.
to keep your dustbins near your area, near your surroundings. It's over to you.
Yeah. You are passing 10th and 12th from which state?
I am from
or-
Sikkim.
Yeah. Then tell me the environment of education and the people, people's
At the
thinking
Sikkim,
at the Sikkim and also
Bihar.
in Begusai, which you experienced.
Okay. So in Sikkim, we used to value the education because whenever we are going to school, we see that if someone is sick, the student is sick, he must be like, "Mom or Dad, I want to go to school because if I don't go to school, I'll be miss my semesters, and then if I miss my semester, then I will be fail." Since here, no one is concerned about the education. If he is not going, then it's okay, because in government school there is no for good education. If you go to government school here, you will see that only one or two students are there, and the teacher are going using their phone or knitting. And there in Sikkim, you can visit, if you visit the private school or government school, you will find very different from here, because in the government school also they are very good education system. Their principal are very good, the students and all the members. But here not all the members are actually good about the education. They don't bother about the education in here. If we can say that some private school, because if you say that some private school are going good, you can't say that all the schools are going good. But in Sikkim, every school, like semi-government, government or private school, every school is going very far in education.
No, but I'm not totally agree with you,
Yes, sir.
because I've been the part of that school, and
But sir, recently this was changed.
but it is not only about one school.
Yes, sir.
It is all about your state.
Yes, sir.
And I have seen the mentality of the students. There are a lot of my friends
Yes, sir.
who are indulge in the drugs at very early stage. So it is very wrong to say that or to blame a state. Actually, it depends on the students' mentality also. Everywhere, because if you see the case of Begusarai in Gachitola, if you see, which he also pointed out in the class, that in Gachitola most of the children engaged in the drugs.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, education plays a very vital role, no doubt about it. But at the same time, your company, your friendship also play very vital role. And your parents, actually your parents are the, yes, your first mentor.
Yes. You mentioned and experienced the education system of Begusai, Bihar. Tell me the some positive points of the education system of Bihar, which you
Bihar-
experienced.
You can say that if you are teaching here, then you must have although you have very option in there also, but you can here and you can go for the trial also. If you are in here, if you go to any institute, you can go for the trial. But in Gangtok, there is not trial for the education system. If you go for the trial, they must have to say that you have to. If you want to join, then you must have to join. They will not show you that you must have to join. You can't take the trial classes there. If you want to join here any classes, you must go for the trial and you can join the
You
classes.
mean the admission of that's education system in the Sikkim is rigid. You mentioned about the admission of the students in the Sikkim institutes are so complex process.
Yes, because if you don't get the good percentage, if you are from school, if you want to go to another school, if you don't have the good percentage, you can't go in that school. But if you have a less percentage also, you can stay in your school.
Tell me your hobbies, some which you want and interested in any topics related to the daily life.
Basically, I'm very engaged with the work. So,
In which domain?
in your data management
Yes.
in Greenwald Solar Private Limited,
Hmm.
and the company is currently is working for the government scheme that is Nal Har Ghar Nal Jal Ka, and
Yeah. Hmm.
in this company is planting the plants in the village areas, and in that I'm doing from 9:30 to 6:30 or 7, or some days sometimes maybe it's 8 p.m. And that type of things give a lots of pressure in anyone's mind, so that in order to release that pressure, person should have a hobbies that can play a very good role, so that you can release your pressure also.
Yes.
And
But your hobby is your profession, no? Right now?
no, actually, I'm mentioning that my hobby is to traveling. I like to travel with bikes. Not for traveling doesn't mean that you have to travel from long distance. I get to means I release all my pain when I travel in a very small distance. Also, when I go for a morning walk or a evening walk, it will also release my pressure. So,
Are you aware from e-vehicle system of the government, electronic vehicles?
yeah, electronic vehicle.
Do you agree the personal?
That is
Vehicles.
not an electrical vehicle.
Electrical.
Yeah,
yes,
electrical.
electrical.
Do you agree the personal vehicles, personal motorbikes, cars, and etc. Present the personal vehicles present in the peoples of the country is good for the environment?
Actually, if you see the past time there was only public transport, and public transport in that time we don't have that much aware of our time. That means we have to be in office in 10 a.m. so that we are ready in 8:30 also, and we are in the bus stand so that bus will reach your destination within your time. But in times to come, the person time for the person is very important, so that if I have one day to I have to go to Patna and return in the evening, but I don't have any choice to in the public transport. That time private transport play a very important role.
But you know, and it is fact that the climate change is a
Yeah.
major issue in recent time, and also environmental concerns are in high way in the world also. So you talk about it personal vehicles also have positive points to reduce the time
Yeah.
for the people, but it has a major concern also for the environment.
Yeah.
So yeah. So over to you, sir.
Yes. Okay. Last question to Kavi. Kavi, since I am a teacher, I know about your performance. You are quite impressive student in terms of communication, in terms of knowledge, in terms of your computer skills. So, what do you want to achieve in your life?
Sir, basically I want to be a good computer management. If anyone in any company, if I would get the good opportunity for my computer skills, that would be better for me, like computer management. And if in better, if they give me the better opportunity, that will be more better.
Okay. Conclude your interview. How is your interview?
So it was quite impressive because I haven't faced any interview in my life. This was my first interview. So in this interview, I have learned that we must have to be confident about what we know, where we from. Then we can say that the question from the anywhere, like if you are from anywhere, you can't study for your interview because your interview can't be from your syllabus. It is out of the syllabus thing. If you go and if you like you are reading something and you say that no, this will be my question, then you are very wrong. You have to be the politeness. You also have the politeness, and you have to be open-minded. That you have to know about what is going on the environment and what is going on the earth.
Okay, very good. Concluding remark, Ravi?
Yes, sir. Basically, this interview is very quite different from my first interview, and here we learn a lots of things that how can be very polite. We have to talk with politeness, and we have also that means we can say that if you want something that document means degree doesn't matter. If you have skills, sometimes when I go to the company, interviewers told me that if you don't have degree, then it doesn't mean that you don't have a skill. Skill is very important. So that in order to have a skill, you must practice. And in this interview, we also face that in anywhere we have to tackle all the questions, and we have to be confident. We have to be polite. We have to be sincere.
Okay, appreciate it.